Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me it's going to be settings. And once it's open, what you want to do is simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Oops, let's try it again. There we go. And as you can see, this will bring up, capture a screenshot with that border as you've seen. And then when you do it for the first time, it brings up this little guide right here. And from here, you can capture a scrollable screenshot with this button. So it will extend the screenshot, making it a little bit longer. Then we have the edit button, share, and some tagging options. So let's actually go with the extend. As you can see, when you tap on it, it will expand it. You can keep actually tapping on it as long as you don't actually miss the button like I did. So let's try that again. There we go. So yeah, basically once you tap on it, it will expand the screenshot, and from there it should disappear after a second or so. There we go. So that is one way of capturing a screenshot, and there's also another way of doing it. So all you need is, well, your hand obviously, and what you want to do is using your palm, swipe across the screen, like not like that, but kind of. There we go. You can see there is the screenshot. And once you capture your screenshot, it can be found in your photo gallery, so you can find it either in the pictures directly in here, so you can see the several of them that I captured, or by going into the albums under screenshots as well. There we go. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.